Hello kids. So we come to type 8 questions of our quadratic exercise. Okay, let's begin with them. So here this is all about roots. Roots, zeros or the solution of the quadratic are one and the same, I told you, right? So we have to find a quadratic equation whose roots are given, we have to find the quadratic equation, nothing else is given. So you use algorithm, note it in your notes. The algorithm is very simple. X square minus bracket sum of roots times x plus product of roots. Okay, as simple as that, right? So if roots are alpha and beta, see, I am not telling some of the roots, I have given the roots itself is alpha plus beta. How can I rewrite this expression? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha times beta, and since it is an equation we have to write 0, 0. If it was expression I would not have written, since they say that it's a equation, so you have to write equal to 0. Okay, now we have the algorithm, they have given us the roots. Can we solve it? It is simple. X square minus 2 minus 6 x plus 2 times minus x equal to 0. X square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. This is your first answer. Simple. Now same thing we will do with this one. So pause, understand, write it. I am going to erase this one so that I can do the second question. Same method. Okay, I will not erase the algorithm, I will directly put the question here. Okay, now x square minus alpha is 2 by 3, beta is negative, so it is negative 1 by 4, x plus 2 by 3 and negative 1 by 4 both are getting multiplied equal to 0. So what do we get here? X square minus 8 minus 3, 5 by 12x minus 2 by 12, which is 1 by 6, right? Yeah, so it is 1 by 6 equal to 0. So that's our quadratic. Now if I want to get rid of this 12 or 6, which is the bigger number? 12. Multiply the whole equation by 12. Okay, so multiply by 12. So you will get a better one without denominators. It will be 12x square minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Done. See, if you multiply with 12, because right side 12 into 0 is 0, 0, and whatever you multiply by 12, so you avoid the denominators, right? Both are equally correct. This without the 12 and with denominators, and with this both are right, you will get full marks for your answer. Okay, so this type is clear. Go to the next type. Here, be very careful. It is sum of the roots is 8 and their product is 12. They are not giving the roots, they are giving directly sum of the roots. Many kids will directly apply this 8 and 12 in the previous formula and do it. No. This is different. So because he is telling sum of the roots is 8, directly input it x square minus sum of the root is 8 and product is 12. Directly input here. Don't use 8 and 12 as roots, they are sum and product of the roots. Okay, equal to 0. Also find the roots of the quadratic equation. Can we find? I will factorize and find. X square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. So our factorization exercise once again, right? Splitting the middle term. I have splitted 8x into 2 types. So common take x into x minus 6 minus 2 into x minus 6 equal to 0, x minus 2 and x minus 6 equal to 0, right? So x is equal to 2 or 6. So these are the x intercepts. So our roots are 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Okay, easy, right? Pause. Again and again I tell, keep pausing, write, do it on yourself on pen and paper, then only you will get these things. Okay. So I am erasing this and I will do the next question for you guys. Okay, let's see. Find the quadratic equation, sum of the roots is 5 by 2 and product is 1. So directly let's go ahead and write sum of the root is 2x and product of the root is 1 equal to 0. Can I get rid of this 2? Easy. Multiply the whole equation by 2. 2, right? So 2 times x square is 2x square minus 5x, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, plus 2 equal to 0. Now find the roots. We want product to be negative 4 and sum should be minus 5. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Once again I am using splitting the middle term factorization so that you don't forget this. Okay. 2x into x plus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So it is 2x minus 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Now equate this to 0, equate this to 0. So our roots are 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equals to half, one of the roots, and x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0, x equals to 2. So our two roots are half and 2. Okay, easy. Now, if x is 2 by 3 and x, so what are this? These are roots. Okay, and quadratic equation they have given partial quadratic equation. They didn't complete the whole equation. They only want you to find value of a and b. So you find your quadratic using these roots and compare with them. Okay, so given equation is ax square plus 7x plus b equal to 0, and we will use our roots to find the equation. So it will be x square minus 2 by 3 minus 3 x plus 2 by 3 times negative 3 equal to 0. What are we getting? X square negative 2 minus 9 plus 2 7 by 3 plus 7 by 3x and plus 2 7 by 3 minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 by 3 and yeah plus 1 by 3x and minus 1 because 3 will cancel. Now minus 2. This is negative 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now our a is 1, b is 7 by 3 and c is negative 2. So you can write a is 1 because here it is 1. B is, so he gave 7x, so we can't write this one. So b for us it came as 7 by 3, but here it is 7. So better to get rid of this denominator, multiply the whole equation by 3. So it becomes 3x square plus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. So this is our a, b is there, and for them this is our b. So b equals to minus 6. So a equals to 3 and b equals to negative 6. Equate their equation and our equation, you get our a and b values. Okay. So with this we come to end of this instruction video. See you in the next one.